Here. So you've seen us just grind the floor again. So we put down coating and then we ground it again, and I'm going to explain the reason why we do what we do. This floor was exceptionally soft, like you could scratch it with your nail. It's not a good candidate for a coating in the standard fashion. So we ended up putting down a product that gets into the pores. It's going to lock it in, kind of secure that matrix back together, almost like gluing it together. And then we grind it again to profile it, shot blast it, clean it up, give it a little more profile. And now you see he's priming the floors. And then we'll go ahead and put our 100 solids down.